What's going on, guys? CardMechanic here, and today I'm going to be teaching you a cool way to flip a card on top of a deck. Let's do it. Now check this out. This is how the card flip looks. Okay, so it's fairly simple move. All we're really doing is using the second card from the top to flip over the top card. So let's just get into how it's done. Okay, we're going to start off, of course, with the deck in Mechanic grip, and from here we're going to push over the top card off the deck by about 1/3. So for the deck here, we're going to push over the top card until it's about 1/3 of the way sticking out like this. Okay, so again, Mechanic grip, push over the top card about 1/3 of the way, and then the way you're going to have your fingers down here is you're going to have your pinky, ring finger and middle finger all pushing, well, not really pushing up on the deck, but separating it from the deck. So it's not going to be flat like this, it's going to be up like this. Okay, so now we push it over, and the only action that's going to happen that we're going to do to flip this card over is we're going to take our thumb and we're going to pull this card, pull the second card from top, we're going to pull it back and down. So the thumb is going to go this way and down, so like this. Okay, that's all that's happening. And when you push it over like this, I'm going to remove these fingers real quick just so you can see easier. But when you're doing this, this corner is going to get stuck by this part of the pinky. Okay, so we're here, and when we do this, there's a bit of tension that is built up between the pinky and the thumb. And once the thumb, goes far enough back, it's the bottom right-hand corner of the card is going to clear the pinky, putting like a motion in the upwards direction. Okay, so all it really is we're here and we're doing that. So if you are not comfortable doing this, I recommend just doing this and practicing without having the top card there. Okay, so putting it all together, we push over, right? We keep a gap here. We come over for this card, and all we're doing is making that flipping motion, right? Just pulling back the thumb, and with the card initially like this, and pulling the thumb back. Now, one thing that you're gonna have to figure out is the amount of, speed and pressure you're applying to the end of this card here. Because if you apply too much pressure, then the card is gonna, flip over. Okay, that wasn't really the best example, but right, it's gonna go flip over. If you don't apply enough pressure, then that's just gonna happen. Nothing's really gonna happen to the card. It's just gonna bounce up and then fall back on the deck. So you have to pretty much figure out, as you can see that was a bit much pressure, but you're gonna have to figure out exactly how much pressure that you have to apply to get the card to flip over the amount that you want. So that's about it for this flourish. I just think it's nice to reveal a top card, or if you just want to show a spectator the top card, pass it on to someone. So it's great for a reveal, or if you want to produce a card. So it's a really cool thing you can do, and it might even impress some people. So that pretty much wraps up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and as always, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to check out my social media links down in the description below for all my status updates, and I will see you in my next video. Welcome to the end screen. If you liked the video, make sure to hit that like button, leave a comment down below, and subscribe, because subscribing is good. Thanks for watching.